Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a product. This is a free product, and this is turmeric curcumin for dogs. And if you're looking for a turmeric curcumin supplement for your puppy, this might be exactly what you're looking for. It has organic turmeric, 250 milligrams. It has curcumin, 150 milligrams, collagen, 60 milligrams, and bioperine, 3 milligrams. It was made in a GMP certified facility, made with natural ingredients, and it is an American brand. Supposed to give only to dogs over 12 weeks of age, for canine use only, not for cats. It does say, or other don't give to other non-dog animals, but dogs. This is for dogs. So if you're looking for a turmeric curcumin supplement for your dog, this might be what you're looking for. Let's open this up and take a peek at it. So it is let's give you a close look at it. There you go. And let's call Miss Winnie over here. Winnie, come here. Come here. Let's give it the Winnie seal of approval. Let's see if she approves. Come here. Come up here. Come up here. Come on. Up. All right, let's see if she likes it. Is that good? Yeah? Would you have another one? That's the seal of approval you like. She came back for more. So if you're looking for this type of supplement, go out and get it. Winnie approves.